How to track your orders on TEMU. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily track your orders on the TEMU app. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel as well. Now let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is open up the TEMU application, and once you do that, you have to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be landed on your home page. Once you get to the home page, you will find different tabs at the bottom of your screen on the navigation bar, like your home, categories, you, and then cart. You want to head over to the you tab, and here you will see your orders option. So just tap on it and it will show you all of your available orders, which include your orders that are processing, the orders that have been shipped, that have been delivered, or that the orders that you have returned. So if you tap on all orders, it will show you all of these in one place. And once you do that, you can find your order here. But if you don't see it here, you want to head over to the processing unit. And here you will find all of the orders that are in the processing phase. So if you want to check your previous orders, you can check it on shipped or delivered. And if you have made any kind of reviews, it will show up here as well. But if you cannot find your order, then what you want to do is tap on self-service order. And once you tap on this, you can find your order by using your phone number or your email address. So if you tap on email address, you can enter your email address to find order associated with that specific email address. And if you have the order ID, it's going to be pretty simple. Just enter your order ID to find your specific order. And by entering your payment info as well, you can find your order. So that's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one.